We're in Amsterdam. Houseboat. And welcome to Amsterdam, everyone. The land of the many canals. Alright, I'm not going to try the water this time because I know where it's been. So each of these little places rent their own spot. It's $200,000 for each spot if you want to have your own parking spot on the water. So they say there's 2,000 spots where you can park your boat along the canal, and they don't come open, and so you have to wait till somebody dies. Now this one over here, I don't know if you guys remember the movie Highlander. This is kind of exactly what he used to have. There could be only one. On the top of each Amsterdam house, if you notice right there, there are little hooks, like grappling hooks. Hooks like this. So when you're delivering things and you're putting new furniture in, you throw a rope up on top, bring it down, and then you just kind of pull your stuff up into your window, since a lot of stuff doesn't fit in the doors. Oh, here comes a houseboat. Tiny, tiny houseboat. Bachelor pad.
Will be a right turn. So this is the church, the Western Church.
And Frank House.
Which one is in Frank House?
And the house used to go line.
This is so
a
cool.
little slower now, also because there's all the boats.
This is what it is like here in the Dutch. Oh, so it comes with its own map and its own Dutch. Mr. Goldfinger. There's the line to get into the Anne Frank House.
And Frank. Yeah.
Holy cow. I take it back. The green one. And this is the toilet on the canal cruise. Alright, so that's the Anne Frank house right there.
It's beautiful.
Inside their house. Open your windows so we can see. Open your windows. We're tourists. I know. Don't they know we're trying to see what they...
Oh, that one's got a white.
Oh, come on. It's like we're not being creepy, we just want to know what you're doing.
Why living in a houseboat is such a popular thing. See these people, they have a good time. You see the locks over here?
It's a repair shop that goes around.
And then we come on the right and see the locks.
The locks. The locks. Oh, there I am. Hello.
See all the bicycles,
So
because we like our bicycles so much.
This is
We
the
make big
valet
parking
park
places
for bicycles in Amsterdam. So if you're going on a trip, you don't park your bike. This is a long-term parking for a bicycle.
There's more bicycle parking places. Come find a place to park your bicycle.
Subway. We're charities.
It's really not good.
And gangs in Amsterdam Central there. Yeah.
Subway, Amsterdam.
So they make more. I'll warn you again
They
when we're in the
brought
bus,
in
but
a mobile.
really take care of the bicycle and the bicycle lanes.
They brought in a
all
mobile
the
bike
red
stand
streets
for the
are bicycle
overflow.
lanes,
This
and it's a kind of anarchy.
insane the amount of
They
bikes
don't
they have
listen
here.
to any rules. They stop the place. That is the bicycles in the
Museum,
canals.
shaped like a giant boat. The word Nemo on it.
Yeah, this is the green building. The sign is like a ship now. And
So
on the top,
this
there's
covers
a beautiful terrace. On a warm day, it's great to sit on the top and then enjoy the view on the city.
Oh, the bus passage there goes in through here, it goes all the way down over here
right in
to the
front of
North
our
Sea,
boat now
about
is
30 miles
the,
away. And this is the entrance.
The north, it's made totally of wood. It was a kind of project for people
Here's
that
one of the
didn't have
first
work
training boats that they
to learn the old
So
skills
like a
again
pirate ship.
of woodcraft.
And this one right here,
So that's
the
why-
first
how
one,
they
this
made
was
this
their
boat.
Pride and Joy. And the reason it's still so intact today is that it sunk on its first voyage. And as the guy said, the Dutch said, oh well, we'll make another one.
And the captain, of course,
And here we go.
On the right side is
The back of the captain's boat.
The VOC. The Verenigde Oost-Indische
And this
the first multinational
triple X up here
did all the
does not
trading
mean
in
what we think it does.
1600.
So anyway, that's one of the
So they,
crests of Amsterdam for some
They were
reason.
multinational, they had offices in all the countries. They had a head office here.
There are sun chairs
Oh, yeah,
to lay
now you
out
see
on top
terrace
of the Science Museum.
Where it's really good to sit if the weather is fine.
So the boats with the big planks, which I missed right there, like the yellow one, see those like fins on the side? These are the old canal ships. Then the fins somehow made it so it could stand up a little bit higher, and sometimes the water is less than 5 feet deep.
Yeah, this one is leaning.
So this is a leaning house.
It's a nice spot.
It's just because of the way things are, and it is a bar.
And here's some
So
blocks
go
again.
home, bar.
When you come
You're
into the
drunk.
old city.
And this is one of the ferries that are crossing. And oh, it's like a party night. Oh, it's a party barge. Holy cow, it's a party barge. And we're being chased. We must ditch them. Ah, they're too good.
Is it? Look at that. Yeah.
So the tour guide said that the Dutch are really good at building canals, but not so good at building houses. So these houses here are still older than the United States, but they're leaning, and they call them the dancing houses.
Turn around because the river stopped.
Alright, so right now we're traveling underneath the smallest bridge. Top of the boat. Amsterdam. So far it's just been a lot of old buildings that are a lot older than the United States, and a lot of weird Dutch customs. So anyway, I've been kind of wondering about like their health care and their laws against drugs and everything. Everything has been pretty much people are going to do it anyway, so let's just put regulations on things, which is kind of a cool idea. And they say they have less problems. So here's the city. So these are also little locks and levees that they used, and they went down to Katrina and built really good at. No, I'm not going to say it, but they're really good at dam-like structures. So that was the exciting canal tour of Amsterdam. Not as cool as Venice, but it was okay. Alright.
Below. There's all the goals.